Hello students, today I am explaining about reaction with nitrous acid. Okay, so this is one of the important chemical property of amines. Here primary, secondary and tertiary aliphatic amines shows different reaction with nitrous acid. So first let us observe the reaction with primary amine. The primary amine reacts with nitrous acid and produce alcohol along with nitrogen gas and water as byproducts. Okay, here I am taking ethanamine, which is a primary amine. It is reacting with nitrous acid and producing ethanol along with nitrogen gas and water as byproducts. Now let us see the mechanism. So whatever NaNO2HCl we are taking in the beginning, they both react with each other to produce nitrous acid and NaCl. This nitrous acid reacts with primary amine now. Okay, so you can see nitrous acid we can write like this. Okay, HO and double bond O. So here we have oxygen, which is more electronegative. It attracts electrons towards itself. Now we are breaking this double bond. So when we are shifting this bond, this oxygen gets negative charge, this nitrogen gets positive charge. Now in amines we are having a nitrogen which can donate a lone pair of electrons. So now this nitrogen donate lone pair of electrons to the positively charged nitrogen to form a bond here. You can see R and H double H. So you can see NOH. This is bond. This N and this N forming a single bond here. NOH and O minus. So we have shifted bond, no? This oxygen getting a negative charge. So here nitrogen is forming 4 bonds. So we are giving the positive charge now. Otherwise we can say that nitrogen donating electrons, hence it is getting the positive charge. Actually nitrogen can form 3 bonds. If it is forming extra bond, it should be indicating with a deficiency. That should be indicated with a positive charge. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll add a proton now. So when I will add proton, this negatively charged oxygen reacts with proton and forms OH bond. You can see this oxygen attracts this H plus and forming OH bond. Next what will happen? Now I'll remove this water molecule OH from this side and H from this side. So whenever we are removing OH coming out as OH minus and we are getting a positive charge on the nitrogen. Here hydrogen giving electrons to the nitrogen. This hydrogen gets positive charge, this nitrogen gets negative charge. This negative and positive charge is forming a double bond here. Okay, here H2O coming out. Okay, so next still we have a positive charge on this nitrogen. Again I'll remove one more water molecule, OH ion from this side, H ion from this side. So what will happen again when we shift this bond, OH gets negative charge and gets a positive charge. When we are shifting this bond towards nitrogen, nitrogen gets negative charge. Okay, this negative and positive charge is forming a triple bond here, H2O coming out. Still we have a positive charge on nitrogen because nitrogen is forming 4 bonds. So now in order to satisfy this positive charge, I'll remove the N2 gas. When I break the bond between R group and nitrogen, nitrogen positive charge is nullified and it is coming out as a N2 outside. And we'll get R plus. R plus can be here carbocation. So this is C2H5 plus we can say. In place of R, we can substitute any alkyl group. So now we are having a carbocation. This carbocation reacts with hydroxide ion, OH minus ion and forms alcohol. Okay, so finally we are getting a product, alcohol along with byproducts N2 and H2O in this reaction. So whenever primary amines reacts with nitrous acid, they produces alcohol along with N2 gas and H2O byproducts. Okay, this is a reaction with primary amines. Now let us see reaction of secondary and tertiary amine with nitrous acid. Okay, secondary and tertiary amine shows different reactions with nitrous acid. This secondary amine reacts with NaNO2 along with HCl and produces nitrosoamine as a product along with water byproduct. Here I am taking diethylamine. So here these two R groups are replaced with ethyl groups. Hence we call this as a diethylamine, which is a secondary amine now. This secondary amine is reacting with NaNO2 and HCl. This NaNO2 HCl combined together, they produce nitrous acid, which is an HNO2. That HNO2 is reacting with diethylamine and produces N-nitrosodiethylamine. So to the nitrogen, nitroso group is attached and nitrosodiethylamine is produced along with water byproduct. This nitrosamine is yellow colored oily substances. Yellow colored oily substance. Okay. Now I'm taking triethylamine or trimethylamine, which is called as a tertiary amine. This tertiary amine, when it is reacting with nitrous acid, it produces trimethyl ammonium nitrite, which is a quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, so we can say that primary amine reacting with nitrous acid and produces alcohol. Secondary amine reacts with nitrous acid to produce nitrosamines. Tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid and produces quaternary ammonium salt. So here the products are different in case of three amines. Okay, so this is completely about reaction of nitrous acid with amines. Okay, thank you.